Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a new beautiful 8.5 by 20 CargoPro Stealth we just got in stock. This is a 2018 all aluminum 8.5/20 with extra height, and wanted to show you guys its features. This is a great trailer if you guys own Jeeps, buggies, larger vehicles, but it's also got great features if you guys have cars and lower profile vehicles. We'll talk about that more in a second. This one is on an extended triple tube all aluminum frame and tongue right here. You guys can see that it's a 6-inch frame. This one also has the extended tongue bump out, which is going to give you guys a better turning radius with the trailer because you've got that extra distance there between your vehicle. This one also has a diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom, polished aluminum corners and a rounded front cap, smooth skin exterior, so you guys can see there's no screws or rivets on the exterior of this trailer either. It's very clean and pretty looking in person. They also upgrade their locking mechanism, so you guys can see this is your bar lock right here, which is a great bar lock. You also have the RV lock with a lock-a-latch and a set of keys, and they also use aluminum door holdback, so you've got the upgraded aluminum hardware as well. And there's your beautiful smooth skin exterior. You guys can see 250, 200-pound axles. These are radial tires. You also have aluminum wheels and of course brakes on all fours. Side vents on this unit as well. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. They also do a great job with their spring assist. I can open and close these rear ramp doors typically with one arm, so they're very, very good in how they wire those up and make them super easy for us to use. This one also has that transition flap here at the end of the ramp, which is again going to help with the transition, the angle coming in and out of the trailer, especially with the lower profile vehicles. I wanted to show you guys this side of the trailer and then we'll go inside. These Stealths have these amazing premium escape doors. This is a big awning door, which is cool. It gives you guys some shade, but it's got great features to it. If you guys have a larger, wider vehicle, such as a Jeep or a buggy, this allows you to get in these units because you can drive over these tires to get in and out. It gives you the extra width that you need. It's also great, you guys can see, for lower profile vehicles because you're not having to swing that door over a traditional size fender. You only have a few inches here to clear the tire, so great dual purpose there. And it's super simple. That fender comes off literally with 2 screws. It's very simple and easy. Even I can do it. Let's go inside here. We'll take a peek at the inside. This is a Drymax floor. It's a water wicking material that they use. It's an engineered product. It's amazing. You don't have to worry about it warping and shrinking like you would with your traditional plywood if it gets wet. That's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so it's going to give you guys more longevity there as well. 4 D-rings. You've got 2 here at the back. Here's your dovetail coming in, so again, great for low profile vehicles. It helps with that transition coming in and out of the trailer. You have a matching spare tire already mounted and ready to go on the wall. They also did the upgraded lighting package in this unit. It's really pretty. You've got 8 LED recessed lights in the ceiling. It's going to give you guys really nice light in here. It's very clean too, just having all those lights up there in that ceiling and out of the way. Vinyl walls and ceiling in this unit as well. This one has at least a 7'10" interior height, where you'll have about 7'7" here at the rear door, so it's going to give you guys that extra interior height as well for taller vehicles. You've got a toggle switch right here next to your side door, so it's super convenient. You come in that door and pop those lights on and off. Backside of the RV lock has a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. 2 more D-rings recessed and ready to go right there in the floor. And then you've got the diamond plate accent up here in the front as well. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. And if you don't live near us, that's okay. We do have an amazing transporter that runs for great rates all over the country. So you guys can call to inquire about that and get a shipping quote. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe.